Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change region in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Suppose if you have selected some region for your phone while setting up your phone, later if you think that you would like to select another region, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to system management and here select system navigation. Here go to languages and input, and here you have to choose region. Okay, as of now region is in India. If you would like to set to another, yes, you can do it. Here I would like to choose Australia, so I selected Australia. Okay, and region is now set to Australia. Suppose if you would like to change back to previous region, again click on region and you have to search for your previous region India, and yes, it has been changed back to previous region in my phone. So in this way you can easily set any region after you setting up your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.